Today, I am going to tell you about Team Inbox features in WhatsApp Web using Eazybe extension. So here you can see I have already logged into our WhatsApp. Now what we have to do is just go to the organization option inside the tools and click on it. So when we click on the organization option, we will see that Eazybe workspace will automatically open. So now go to the left tab and click on Team Inbox. This is our Team Inbox feature where we can see the chat of every employee. So suppose we want to open the chat of this person. Just click on it and all the messages will be loading here, and we want to see another chat, so we can click on it. Not only this, we can also open the chat of other employees. So just go to the All Employees option, untick, select all and tick that person whose chat we want to see. Suppose we want to see the chat of this person, tick on it and the chat of this person will automatically get open. So this is a very effective feature for the organization to monitor the chat of their teams, especially their sales department.